Friends, if you are watching this video, then it means you work in an electrical field. And if you are working in electrical field, then I am asking you a small question that this CT we use on CT 5P10 is written. What does it mean? Some people may answer that we even don't know what is the meaning of 5P10. And some people will answer that 5P10 and 5P20 defines the class of CT. Here I already written that this CT here, class of CT is 5P10. So here you didn't told anything new, what is written here you told the same. So today through this video we are going to learn this CT we use on CT 5P10 or 5P20 is written, what does it mean? Before understanding the meaning of this, first understand this CT here are of how many types. Look, CT are of 3 types. First is measuring CT, second is protection CT, third is special protection CT. This measuring CT is used to measure current. This second type of CT is used for a motor or a feeder, for overcurrent, and for earth fault protection we use protection CT. Now this special type of CT here is used where differential protection or REF protection is required. So for these protection we use this special type of CT. So here we understood how many types of CT are there. Now let's come back to our question. Here 5P10 which is written, what does it mean? Meaning of first digit here is CT we use, how much ratio error is there. After this, here P is written. It means protection. If on any CT P is written, then it means that CT will be used for protection. After this, here 10 is written. It means accuracy limit factor, short form of which is ALF. What is the meaning of ALF? I am explaining you. For example, suppose you have a CT whose ratio is 1000 by 5 ampere. Now this 1000 will be multiplied with the 10. It means 1000 into 10, when we multiply this, answer will come as 10,000. It means this CT here whose ratio is 1000 by 5 ampere and class of this CT is 5P10. This CT here, if this CT sense some kind of fault, suppose an earth fault occurred. In condition of earth fault, very high current flows. You also know about this. If current goes to 10,000 ampere, then in this condition also, ratio of error of CT will not be more than 5%. It means here CT of class 5P10 whose ratio is 1000 by 5 ampere, in this CT, even if 10,000 ampere current flows, then error which is coming in taking reading here will not be more than 5%. So here 5P10 which is written, I hope you understood meaning of this. Let us see one more example. Here 5P20 which is written, what does it mean? Let's understand. Here also I am using same figure, 1000 by 5 ampere of CT is there. Now here primary current is going to be multiplied with ALF, I mean with 20. When we multiply this with 20, then answer will be 20,000. It means that this CT of 1000 by 5 ampere whose class is 5P20, in primary of CT, even if 20,000 ampere current flows, then in this condition also, ratio of error will not exceed 5%. So I hope you understood that 5P10 and 5P20 which is written on CT, what does it mean? Before ending this video, I am leaving a question for you. Comment answer of this in the comment box. Question is, you have two CT of 5P10 and 5P20 class. Among these two CT, which CT is going to be best for use? Comment in the comment box for sharing your answers. Friends, if you want to know how to change the ratio of CT, then click on the right hand side video to watch. Thanks for watching this video.